Hey guys, have you always been curious about what he sent you on WhatsApp and later deleted it before you could be able to read it? Or have you ever been curious about what she sent to you on WhatsApp and quickly deleted it before you could read it? If your answer is a yes, then today I'm going to show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Oh wait, I think it's WhatsApp deleted messages. Well, whichever way, I'm going to show you how to read those deleted messages with just a simple trick. And if you stay till the end, I will even add a bonus trick for you. Good stuff? Alright, it's TechSmooth, and if you like this kind of video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so as not to miss any of our future videos again. Okay, let's jump right in. For you to be able to read deleted WhatsApp messages, all you need is a little app called Notiserve, and you can easily download this app from your Play Store. All you gotta do is head over to the Play Store, type Notiserve. It should be the first thing that pops up, and click it. It's pretty that easy. Wait for it to load, then you'll install it. It will take care, you accept whatever changes, whatever you want you to accept. It will take some time to get installed. Don't be alarmed. It should be done as soon as possible. Okay, it's installing, so you have a little patience for it to get installed. Okay. I just don't want to pause it to come back to it. I want you to, that's finished installing, so you click open. It's a little bit slow, so please bear with me. So Notiserve is opening for the first time. So you could just be skipping all this and click allow to allow Notiserve for notifications in your phones. You click on next. Okay, here you just tick the box so that Notiserve will have access to the notification in your phones, which is what we want, and click OK to enable it. Okay, the next thing is to ensure that Notiserve doesn't block the notifications on your phone. Just for a minute to get there. It's loading. Alright, we're getting there. Okay, now click next. Okay, now you will toggle all apps on and off so that Notiserve will not be blocking notifications in your phone. As it stands, it can block all your notifications, so toggle it on and toggle it off. That's all, and we are set. Now we've concluded the setup of Notiserve. So here all we have to do is now test run what we've done. Okay, hey bro, can you send me a message on WhatsApp? I'm checking this out. Alright, I'm trying to Then my lady sent me the message so you guys can see how it goes. That's the message. Alright, so let's check it out. Okay, my lady student. So these are the messages. So let's go to notice her and see if we can see what she sent. Alright, okay, you just click on the message. Alright, these are the messages you send. I think and how are you? So that concludes our work. It's as simple as that, guys. Hope you love this kind of video. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, or just comment something. After all, I did it for free.